Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided low chignon. To start, we're going to do a Dutch braid. So taking a slice of hair on the left hand side of the head, I'm going to split this into 3 equal sections. Then I'm going to cross the left strand under the middle and then the right strand under the middle. Now we're going to grab a section of hair from the front of the head and add it to that left strand and cross them both under the middle. And then repeat by taking a slice of hair from the top of the head, adding it to the right hand strand and passing these under the middle. So add a slice of hair to the left hand strand and cross it under the middle. Remember to leave some hair out at the hairline to frame the face. And then add a slice of hair to the right hand strand and cross it under the middle. And we're going to carry on braiding this way until we reach just past the ear. Once you reach the back of the ear, carry on braiding in a regular 3-strand braid without adding any hair. Then we're going to add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then gently pinch and pull at the edge of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. And then tie everything off with a clear elastic band. Gather the remaining hair, remembering to leave some hair out at the hairline on the opposite side. And we're going to split this in half. And then we're just going to secure that right hand side with a clear elastic band into a low ponytail. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Add some more texture spray to the top of the head and gently pinch and pull the crown area. Now we're going to take hold of that braid and bring it over to the right hand side and then just secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Take that ponytail on the left hand side, split it in half and just create a loose twist. Bring this twist over the top of the right hand ponytail and secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Now do the same on that right hand ponytail, so split it in half, create a loose twist and then bring it over to the left hand side and secure it with a few more bobby pins. Now taking hold of those tail ends on the right hand side, again we're just going to create a loose twist and we're going to bring this underneath the bun and secure it with another bobby pin or 2. And then simply just repeat this on the tail ends on the left hand side. So create your twist, bring it over to the opposite side and secure it to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.